you wondering how to strike through in Google Docs? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it, and I'll also be giving you some tips along the way. So of course, the first thing you need to do is identify the text that you want to strike through. So what you should do first is, if it's a singular word, then you can just select that word. If it's a whole sentence, then select the whole sentence. Multiple words, then you just do that. So you get the idea. Anything you want to strike through, you need to select. So let's say I want to strike through this entire sentence. All you need to do is have that selected, left click on Format at the top. You then want to look for the text option, which is the first one, and then you'll see strike through is here. You'll notice there's also a shortcut. You can press the Alt, Shift and number 5 on your keyboard simultaneously, and that will do this for you. So that's a good shortcut to learn. Of course, if you press that shortcut again, it will remove it, but if you did want to remove the strike through, you can do the same thing. So select all the text, Format, Text, and press the strike through button, and it will remove it. If you wanted to do one word, as I've previously mentioned, select that one word or a selection of words. Just make sure that's selected, and then you do the same thing. Format, Text, strike through. So I hope this video, excuse me, I hope this video is useful. If it was, please hit the like button. Any questions, comments, feedback, or suggestions for future videos, drop them down below and I'll get back to you. And with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.